The last win for Belgium was in 2013. The last podium was 2019. What can we expect from these guys? A podium at the very least?
A win.
There
If
you
we are
go.
good, we wanna win. But yeah, I think if they all need to be like really on top of their game, and then we have a chance. But if they do what they normally do, then yeah, podium is for sure realistic.